Ever feel like you're trying to keep up with a technology that's just moving at light speed? Yeah, that's pretty much the world of AI assistants right now. So in this explainer, we're going to cut through all that noise. We'll show you what they are, what they can actually do for you today, and maybe most importantly, where this whole incredible journey is taking us next.
Look, if you're feeling a little overwhelmed by the constant flood of AI news, you are not alone. With new tools and crazy new capabilities popping up, almost every week, it's really easy to feel lost. The pace is just nuts. But don't worry, we're here to help you get a handle on it all.
So here's what we're going to do. First, we're going to talk about the practical, powerful AI apps you can use right now to make your life easier. And second, we'll get into the big ideas, the key trends that are actually defining what AI is going to become tomorrow.
So what are we really talking about when we say AI assistant? Well, think of it like this. It's a smart piece of software that gets what you're trying to do and then does it for you. It's all about turning your prompts, your wants, into actual results.
Okay, first up, let's ground ourselves in the here and now. What can AI assistants really do for us today?
Let's start with the category you're probably most familiar with, conversational AI. You can think of these as your co-pilot for brainstorming ideas, digging into research, or just getting that dreaded first draft onto the page. And there's a whole bunch of these tools out there. You've got ChatGPT, which is kind of your versatile Swiss Army knife for almost anything. Then there's Claude, which is fantastic for crafting really polished long-form content or analyzing dense documents. Need a quick, verifiable answer with sources you can actually click on? Perplexity is your go-to. And for something different, Pi is great when you're looking for a more supportive, almost empathetic conversation.
And this really highlights a key difference you need to understand. Are you trying to create something brand new from scratch? Well, ChatGPT is your creative partner for that. But if you need to find and verify an existing fact, Perplexity is the tool for the job. When accuracy really matters, it delivers verifiable answers, and it does it fast.
Okay, so conversation is one thing, but how can AI actually do things for us? Let's talk about the productivity assistants that are designed to automate our digital lives.
Now, this new wave of specialized tools is an absolute game changer. Reclaim.ai isn't just a calendar, it's like a personal guardian for your focus time. Superhuman can take your inbox from a total nightmare into a command center, and Zapier, it can weave all your different apps together into one seamless automated workflow.
Now, I know it sounds complex, but the process is becoming shockingly simple. You literally just describe what you want to do in plain English. The AI figures out all the steps, you connect your apps, and boom. That boring, repetitive task you have to do every single week now just runs itself.
As amazing as all these tools are, they are really just scratching the surface. The technology underneath it all is evolving at a breakneck speed. So, let's look ahead and explore the trends that are shaping the future of AI.
We are entering a brand new era, one where AI is going to be smarter, way more collaborative, and honestly, it's going to be everywhere.
So, here is the key idea. The future isn't about one giant, all-knowing AI. It's about a team of specialized AIs working together. You have the planner agent, that's your project manager, breaking down the big goal. Then you have worker agents, your specialists, who actually do the tasks. And finally, you have the critic agent, which is like your quality control, making sure everything works. It's a whole collaborative system.
And when you put that AI team together, you get what people are starting to call a digital labor workforce. These are autonomous systems that can tackle really complex projects, all with a human still in the loop, acting as a massive force multiplier for our own skills.
At the same time this is happening, AI is also getting smaller and moving out of the cloud. Reasoning at the edge just means having powerful AI models that can run right there on your phone or laptop, offline. And this is a huge deal for two reasons. One, it keeps your data private, and two, it gets rid of that annoying lag.
And this leads us to the next massive frontier. AI is getting ready to jump beyond our screens and out into the physical world.
You know, the AI we use today lives in the digital world. It makes text, it makes code, it makes images. Physical AI is a whole different ballgame. We're talking about models that can actually perceive the real 3D world, understand physics, and take action through things like robotics. This is a massive leap.
So what's going to power all this? Well, the hardware is getting a revolution of its own. We're moving away from relying on just one or two types of computer chips to this flexible, amorphous computing system. What that means is the AI can automatically pick the perfect tool for the job, whether it's a GPU for graphics, a TPU for AI tasks, or even a QPU for quantum computing.
Amidst all of this unbelievably rapid change, there is one year you really need to remember: 2026. So why 2026? That's when the EU AI Act fully kicks in, and it's on track to become the global standard for how we govern AI, kind of like how past rules set the standard for data privacy. This is all about building the guardrails for that powerful future we've been talking about.
And this means building trust right into the technology itself. It means clear documentation on how AI models are tested, transparency so you always know when you're talking to an AI, and a clear data trail so we can understand what information the AI was trained on in the first place.
So, after all that, what does this all mean? We've looked at the powerful tools we have today and the really exciting trends of tomorrow. So let's just zoom out and look at the bigger picture.
The AI assistants we're using right now, they're really just the beginning. We are heading towards a future where AI is a deeply integrated, collaborative partner that helps us navigate not just our digital lives, but our physical world as well. Make no mistake, this is one of the most profound technological shifts of our lifetime. So the question we want to leave you with is this: as AI evolves from a simple tool that we command into a true partner that we collaborate with, what is that going to mean for the way we work, create, and live?